Hi everyone, Leandro here, and in this video I'm gonna show you what is Jira, what is used for, and how to get onboarded into it. Let's go! So, first things first, what is Jira? Jira is a popular project management and tracking tool, especially within the software development industry. There are several benefits of using Jira as a tracking tool, and some of them are centralized project management. Jira serves as a single source of truth where people can see the same information regardless of their location. This ensures that everyone is aligned with the project goals and progress. Enhanced collaboration. Jira enhances collaborations among team members. It supports assigning tasks, sharing updates, and communicating directly within the platform. Via API or third-party apps, it also allows Jira to integrate with several other platforms, bringing all together in the same environment for transparency. Inside Jira, each ticket is called issue. This issue can be shared, linked, and ranked. Customizable workflows. Its workflows are tailored to fit each team's necessity, making it possible to define their own processes. Example, let's suppose your team is working in a default workflow like to do, in progress, and done. And then they see the necessity of creating another step called testing. You can simply add this new step to your workflow. Scalability. Whether you are managing a small team or a large enterprise project, Jira scales to meet the needs of your organization. It can handle thousands of users and projects, making it a long-term solution for your business as it grows. Now let's talk about Agile. Jira fits perfectly for Agile projects. That's why Jira is so popular among Agile teams. Here is the Agile Manifesto. Individuals and interactions over processes and tools, working software over comprehensive documentation, customer collaboration over contract negotiation, responding to change over following a plan. There are two types of Agile projects that are very popular and they fit perfectly in Jira. They are Scrum and Kanban. In a nutshell, Scrum is a structured framework with fixed length sprints, usually 2 or 4 weeks, where work is planned in advance and teams commit to completing a set amount of work within each sprint. Scrum has defined roles, like Scrum Master and Product Owner. There are also ceremonies like daily stand-ups, sprint planning, and retrospectives, and focus on delivering potentially shippable product increments at the end of each sprint. Kanban. Kanban is more flexible, a flow-based method that focuses on visualizing work as it moves through various stages in a Kanban board. There are no fixed sprints and work items are continuously pulled from backlog as capacity allows. The key is limiting work in progress to prevent bottlenecks and improve flow efficiency. Now that we understand the difference of the basics of Agile development, let's dive into the user interface. This is what your start page looks like. Inside the platform, you have projects. Each project is a container of issues. Issues, they have fields in which you can capture data about the work that needs to be done. It can be description, you can assign someone, you can add the reporter, you can also add labels, priority, and other fields. Each issue has a type, which can be epic, bug, story, tasks, subtasks, or you can also create new issue types and customize the name as well. Each issue type has a workflow, and this is the workflow, and each box of this is the step. Projects in Jira are super flexible. They can represent teams, deliverables, projects, OKRs, initiatives, and anything that can be delivered in a time frame, or not. When you create a new project, it can have two types. It can be either team management or company management. Team managed projects, they are much more flexible and user-friendly, allowing teams to set up and customize their own workflows, fields, settings without needing Jira admin intervention. They are ideal for smaller projects or those that need more autonomy and quickly set up. Company management projects are managed by Jira administrators. These projects offer more control and standardization across the organization. They allow for advanced configurations, shared workflows, and centralized administration, making them suitable for larger teams or organizations that need consistency and adherence to company-wide practices. Inside Jira, you also have filters. With advanced issue search, you will be able to filter issues and projects and save the search to be used in many ways, like in dashboards, in boards, use as an email subscription, and many other creative ways. When filtering issues, you can use the JQL option. JQL stands for Jira Query Language, and it's very simple to understand. By the way, let me know if you want a specific video just for JQLs. After you create your search, click on Save Filter, add a name, choose who will be the viewer and who can edit, and just save it. Super easy, huh? Inside the projects, you also have the issue hierarchy. So, in a nutshell, epics, they are usually big deliverables, tasks are medium chunks of deliverables, and subtasks are smaller chunks of deliverables. To create an epic, simply click on epic and add your epic name. Another way to create an epic is just simply creating via the top menu. Select your project, select the issue type epic, and add your name. One important point here is the summary is the title. I have no idea why Atlassian chose that. And create. To start working, you have to create issues or tasks. You can simply go to Create on your top menu, select the project. Usually the last used project is the first one selected, but you can also select Other. Select the issue type, which is the type of the task you would like to create. Add your title. It's a good practice also to add a description, and just click on Create. Voila, you have a new issue. As you can see here, down below the screen, you have the ticket created or the issue created. But why ST4? Each project inside Jira, they have a key which is unique for the project. So each issue type that exists internally on this project, they will follow the project key and sequential number. To create a board, it's important to have a filter before. So let's create a filter. Go to Filter, View All Issues, and then choose JQL, Project equals ST, which is the project I would like to filter, and issue type equals epic. I would like to see only epics for this filter. Click on search, there we go. To save the filter, just click Save Filter, add a name, choose who would like to view, let's call it project. Only It means that only people inside this project will have access to this filter and all the roles within this project. Let's save the filter. Now that we understand how to create a project, how to create an issue, and how to add filters, let's create a board for your project. Let's create a Kanban board for the epics. Board from an existing saving filter, saved filter, next, epics, saved filter, there we go, and just create the board. Now you have a board only for the epics, so the top level management can see the progress of it. Inside your board, each column is the status of the issue. If we drag and drop from one column to another, it means that we are changing the progress of the epic. If you have also other steps, you just click on the three dots, configure board, go to columns, and then you can just drag and drop the status to the column. Unmapped status will appear on your left hand side. But what is a status? Inside the issue you can see the workflow. The workflow is how you define which status your issue is currently at. In this case, we only have 3 steps: to do, in progress, and done. Last but not least, let's create a dashboard. Go to the top level menu, view all dashboards, and create a new dashboard. Dashboards will provide a high-level view of your work for you and your team. Now let's put a name. ST Dashboard. Then select who will see it. In this case, I would like all people from my Scrum team to see it, and just save. On this page you can add new gadgets, and on your right hand side you can see the options: activity string, assign it to me, average chart, and many others. Let's add filter results, because we already created a filter, right? You click and add, click the save filter, choose the saved filter, select the options and save. And there you go, you can see the list of issues using the filter that we already created. To save, just click on done and voila! Now everyone from your team can see this dashboard. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, please share with your colleagues who want to know and learn more about Jira. Thank you.